Hi you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to be doing our paycheck budget cash stuffing. If you guys missed the paycheck budget breakdown, I will have that video linked down below. Let's go ahead and get started. I have lots of new things to talk to you guys about if you missed my last video. So let me first start by organizing my money. You guys, they gave me the nastiest, crustiest bills. So let me go ahead and organize this. Just a quick thing. I know the setup is weird and there's some weird shadows. It's actually setting, the sun is. So I'm trying to use all the natural light I have. But yeah, it's setting on me right now, so I'm sorry. Like, what is this, you guys? That entire bill is torn in half. I swear the bank just hates me and gave me the nastiest bills. But I swear not, because I gave her one of my cash breakdown, like denomination teller slips. And she was like, oh my gosh, where did you get this? And she's like, I gotta go buy them. These are so cute. I've never seen these before. Which is funny to me because like in the budgeting community, the teller slips are so like well known and sold. So it's surprising that she has never seen one before. I don't live in a huge town though, so that's probably why. Okay, so now that we have all of our crusty money organized, I'm gonna get in here. You guys don't mind the fact that my purse is literally so horrible. This is your reminder right now. I have all of these receipts, you guys. I'm gonna take them out right now so I remember. I need to scan on Fetch Rewards. If you guys don't have that, what are you doing? Get it now. I'll leave my referral code right here on the screen, but also down below. You scan your receipts and get money back and then turn them into gift cards. It's completely free. There's nothing to it. You literally just get them and get money back. So yeah, so let me set these to the side because I am going to do that. Next, I need to get out, oh my gosh, you guys, I have money in here. That's so exciting. I love that when that happens. So we're gonna add that to our money. Let's find out what, yeah, we have $3. You know what, whatever. $3 is $3. I'm gonna set this to the side and we'll figure out what to do with it. All right, so I have my envelopes here. Let me just sort them out. So these are my envelopes that go into my wallet. These are available. You guys, I'm so sorry about this lighting. I'm gonna have to do something different. Let me see if I can't change the lighting. Just a second. Okay, so this is as good as my lighting's gonna get right now. I have one blind up like right here, and then I have my lights turned on, but you guys, it's just not working for me. So I'm so sorry. But these are my envelopes that go in my wallet. It's not even doing them justice at how pretty they are. But yeah, so these are, I'm gonna be doing these in my variable expenses, so I wanna have them out. I'm just gonna set them like right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's count our money. These are my denomination slips. If you don't know what these are slips that you take to your teller. So how I got my denominations is right here. Is I took all of my expenses and tallied them up and what I needed for each bill. And then I write them on here and then give this to the bank. I don't even know if you guys can see that. So I add them up on here and tally each category. I do have my budget breakdown sitting right here so I know what I need to stuff. So let's go ahead and count this. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 650, 720, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 9, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So we have 970, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 90, or 79, 80, 980, 81, 82, 83. So we have $983 that we are stuffing today. I've had so many questions of people asking me, like, how do I cash stuff my subscriptions? Like, that doesn't make any sense. So I'm cash stuffing these subscriptions that are coming up. So I will, because if I have any money in my bank account, you guys, I'll spend it. I'm horrible. I can't like visually see the separated categories. And so it helps me to do my bills like this as well. I know that probably doesn't make sense to some of you guys, but for me, this is what works. And hey, that's what budgeting and personal finance is it's different for every person. So now that we have all of that done, I'm actually gonna start out with these. So we have gas is gonna be getting $40. So let's go ahead and do that. So gas is getting a 40. Okay, you guys, since these are technically like smaller, do you guys fold these in half like this? Or do you guys fold them like this? I asked my fiance and he was like, oh, like this. And I don't know why, you guys, it drives me crazy. I'm gonna do it this time, but let me know in the comments down below, which one do you guys prefer? Because I don't know which one I prefer. Because this is what it looks like from the back. And this is the front. I don't know. I feel like it just looks weird folded like that. I don't know. That's just me, probably. Eating out's not getting anything. Necessities is getting 180. So 150, 70, 80. So we have 150, 70, 80 going into necessities. I've actually really missed you guys. I've missed doing this. I've been so busy. We had some family come and visit, and so we've been pretty busy. So I've had so much family come and visit me, and I've just been crazy busy with my Etsy shop too and doing orders. So there's 180, and then each of these gift cards has $10 on them. So there's technically 200 in this envelope. Groceries not getting anything. I've talked about this before that we do get some assistance. Luna, my dog, is not getting anything. I'm not getting anything. My hubby was set to get 108, but he already spent it before I even got a chance to put it in his envelope. So these are gonna go back into my purse. And we do get paid, actually, JK, that extra $3, I'm gonna put in myself because I do have a fill for my nails coming up. And you know what, whatever, I'll take the help if I can get it, to save for them. So I have talked about this before, but our finances have changed. Our income has changed. My fiance is now doing his own business. I am running my own business pretty much. We've been crazy busy. Our income is literally never consistent. And so I just budget now weekly because it fluctuates too much for me to be able to budget like a month or even twice a week. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in my purse. If you're wondering, these are on my Etsy shop. They come in this size, and then also like A6 for binders, but yeah. So subscription, since it's here, it's gonna get 27. So we have 25, 6, and 7 going to our subscriptions. Okay, and then I will fill out everything when I am done. Rent is not getting anything. We did already pay our rent. Phone is not getting anything. Capital One is getting, let's see. Capital One is gonna get 33 for one card, so 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, and then it's the other card is getting 25, so 25. So all together, Capital One is gonna get 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, $58 going to Capital One. My daughter just woke up, you guys. I was hoping to get this done before she woke up. If you guys don't know, I am a mom of 4. We are a family of 6. So yeah, busy, busy, busy. Okay, so credit one's not getting anything. And then electric's not getting anything yet. Internet's not getting anything. We did already pay that this month. Premier Bank is gonna get 33. So 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. These are just the minimum payments, you guys, to these cards. Okay. And then car insurance is getting $428. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 6, 7, and 8 into car insurance. I did share this in my last video, you guys. We got a car. We finally have a car that fits all of my family. I've been trying to get it forever. Water is gonna get 85, so 50, 70, 85, 50, 70, 85 into water. For a long time, we didn't have a car, as you guys, a lot of you guys know. Hold on, you guys, the lighting switched outside. I'm gonna open it up the blind again so you guys can see. Now I can show you guys my envelopes and how pretty they actually are. Thank goodness for that giant cloud. We finally got the money from a personal, like, family member to loan us some money. So we do pay them $50 a month, which I do need to set aside. I need to make that envelope now. So honestly, I'm probably just gonna stick that right here, because I don't want to forget to pay them. I'm gonna just run it to the bank when I'm done. And then we are taking the remainder of the money, which should be $82, and saving it for that car payment. So we have 50, 70, 80, 1, 2. So 50, 70, 80, 1, 2 to car payment. So because I don't have a binder for that yet, I put that in car insurance, but on the other side of my little slips in here. That way I know that that goes to the car, and I'm gonna have to make some new envelopes. But yeah, so super excited that we were able to get a new car. We needed one so badly. And so I'm glad that we got one. Our car payment is coming this week, our first one. We actually got our car like a little over a month ago. I just haven't shared it with anyone. But yeah, we did get a car. We have 2 cars now instead of just one. My fiance is using the other one for his business though. And then obviously we're using the new one as a family vehicle. So, but that's gonna do it for today's cash stuffing, you guys. I'm really excited about everything that's coming. And then also these sheets, by the time you're seeing this, they're probably already up on my Etsy shop. But yeah, so this is the budget breakdown. This is the formula for this sheet. You take your income minus your fixed expenses, your variable expenses, and it gives you debt, savings, and sinking funds. Then you take it to your debt and savings. This is the breakdown of this page. And when you're done with your savings, you take this to investing and sinking funds, which is here. And then you calculate all of the breakdown to figure out how much you have left. If you are doing a zero-based budget, it will end in 0. And if you have a remaining, you can just leave it as like a buffer. I'm still working towards like my emergency fund calculator. And then I did my breakdown, but I am gonna start doing our monthly debt trackers and saving for our 90-day emergency fund. I'm using the $1,500 from the 90-day emergency fund to help with our emergency fund calculator to save up for these months ahead. So I hope that all makes sense. Everything should be on my Etsy shop now that you're seeing this. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's paycheck budget and cash stuffing, since we are doing this now weekly. So I will have all of my socials linked down below, my Etsy shop, my Amazon storefront. My Amazon is where I got like most of this stuff, my stand, this. Actually my binder is from Soul Mama on Amazon as well. So yeah, the sun is peeking back out of the clouds, so that's apparently my cue to be done. Yeah, so I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.